أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this session, I'm going to talk about how to use this correlation matrix as data input in AMOS. Now let's say I've got this correlation matrix and I want to use this as data input for AMOS. Now there is a special format in which this correlation matrix shall be transformed. Here is the format. Now the first thing is your first column is row type. Now here you describe each of your rows. What does these rows mean? So your row 1, this is your sample size. For each of the construct, you mention your sample size. The next 4 rows are your correlations. That is, this is a correlation between servant leadership and servant leadership. So this is absolute correlation. Here are the correlations between servant leadership and then self-efficacy and servant leadership. The other correlation. So these 4 rows are your correlations. Then your standard deviation for each of your construct, and you can get it easily from your SPSS file. And finally, you've got your mean values again from the same descriptives table. Let me quickly do this for you. Let's copy it and let's paste it here. Again, we do not need this. Delete. We do not need this. Let's delete it here. We need this n, but at the top. So let's put it in here. Rather, the next one. Again, we do not need these two. Delete. Do not need these two. Delete. These two shall be deleted as well. Again, this needs to be deleted as well. We just need the correlations, this column to be deleted. Again, you can delete the values above the diagonal. Now again, add 2 columns. Insert. This is row type underscore variable name underscore. So row type underscore and then var name underscore. These are your variable names. So what you can do is just simply copy this here and paste it here. You do not need this column. Delete it. This is your n and these are your correlations. And simply you can have standard deviation and your mean values here, and you can get it from your SPSS file like this here. Just copy it there and now you are ready to run. Now let me remove this for now. Let's delete it. Delete. And I'm going to use this file as input. So saved. Now let's go to AMOS. Now once you open AMOS, select your file. And here is my file. Just press OK. And here the 4 variables. Look at this, the 4 variables. Now you can easily add them here. Drag and drop. And you can have your path model just like this, with or based on your correlation matrix. Just add the error terms. If not available or not highlighted, make sure you select view the input path diagram. Here, now let's draw the arrows. Go to plugins, name unobserved variables. If you've got multiple mediators, you will need to create estimates. The link will be shared in the description. Simply run the model. Let's name it like this. Yes. And have a look here. Go to estimates. And the relationships are significant. These are t-values and these are your estimates. So this is how you can use a correlation matrix as input for AMOS. Thank you very much.